In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Many people struggle with locating and managing refresh rate on Samsung devices, and that's because they are under a different name. So start by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Display. Then click on Motion Smoothness over here. In Motion Smoothness category, you can change screen refresh rate to Adaptive or Standard by tapping on one of those options. Then to save your changes, hit Apply. So when I do that, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my Samsung has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!